Hello students, English shorthand 80 words per minute, ready for dictation. It is good idea to bring the managements and labor in ports together, always to discuss measures to increase production. It is a matter of vital importance to our economy and to our future. One of the reasons for the abnormal situation through which we passed in the last 1 or 2 years was the attempt to spoil the transport system. There were all kinds of strikes. All these became common and caused a great deal of harm to the economy and hardship to the people. All of you remember the time when food was very urgently needed in certain parts, but because of strikes, ships were not being unloaded. I am sure that you realize that such a situation could not be allowed to continue. You all know how important it is to increase our exports rapidly. This is necessary for our very existence. Increased production is the first step. But if the ports cannot handle in time what we wish to export, then there is hardly any point in talking about increasing production for export. So ports have a major part to play in the export drive, and they should prepare themselves up to the task. We cannot afford to continue with the same old methods which were in use when the volume and number of goods small. If necessary, the handling methods have to be changed. The adjustment should be worked out, and labor also should not adopt a firm attitude. Special attention should be given to the handling of food grain and fertilizer ships. Many of our farmers are still suffering from what they went through in the critical period of drought, when supply was delayed owing to the strikes either by port workers or by employees of the Food Corporation of India. We had also to pay large sums in foreign exchange. I do hope that handling methods are being looked into, see how they can changed. Thank you, students.